Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video, we're going to do a backhand change for the leader. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and take it from this angle. All right, comes off your right side, turn. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, you're going to end with that slow step with the right to right hand connection. We'll take you into a sliding door, head loop, and so forth. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go into that position from here. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Cool? And you don't feel like you gotta rush that, all right? So we're not trying to change it. Just let it turn behind your back and change. More information on that on your private lesson videos, okay? Let's take it from here. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, let's take it from this point. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Good. So again, you have different angles from this point where you actually are turning, allowing the hand to go behind your back. Remember, try not to lean on that. These are little hints for you. So again, more information on your private lesson style videos, but it's up to you to rewind this and watch it over and over and practice, okay? Do that and then come on back for your next pattern.